Hi everyone, this is me attempting to do a talk through video, because usually when I do tutorials and stuff like that I do voiceovers. So let's just see how this talk through video goes. As you can see, my hair is in 4 sections and I banded them up. This is how I can keep a twist out texture in my hair for days and days. These have been in for a couple of days now, to be honest. Nothing much is going on because Miss Rona right now, the situation right now, lockdown situation shall I say, but let's unravel and see, and you will see how I get it looking good again, shall I say. But yeah, this is the first one. I put 2 or 3 hair bands. I don't do all the way to the end because I want to keep the end texture, so I just twist at the end. That's what I do. And let's just see how this is looking. I've got a mirror at the side. Looking good, ain't it? Considering I don't band them up too tightly either. Not too tight. That's my tip. Not too tight, because you don't want to be too tight and your head is hurting. Okay. Considering these have been in my head for like a couple of days, I can still see the texture from my twist out that I did, like I said, a couple of days ago. But yeah, let's see. Let's do the second one. Yes, I am back with my afro pick. You know me, I like an afro pick. This afro pick has been so very useful for my many years of my hair being natural, and when I do twist outs as well, literally. And I like it when I do the banding method technique, because it stretches out my hair a little bit. Because when I first unraveled the twist out, or the flat twist shall I say, my hair was looking a bit short. But when I do the banded technique / method, it stretches it out a little bit. Yes, it does. What I usually do, I just use my spiral hairband, because I don't like it out like this. So I use my spiral hairband and I put it up. I'll get this little one here. Actually, I want to use this one. As you can see, by using the spiral hairband, it's not too much tension on my hair, which I like. Thank goodness I started to use these spiral hairbands a couple of years ago. You can get them from Primark. I've seen them in the Tiger store, of course eBay and Amazon and all these other places as well. But I've got mine from Tiger and Primark. Yeah, there you go. Let me fluff it a little bit more. This is so weird, I'm actually because like I said, usually I do voiceovers, but I'm gonna try and do more talk through videos for IGTV or for normal Instagram. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah, I'm liking this. You see, that's why I like the ends. The end still has a little texture, as you can see, hopefully. But yeah, let me put a little my hair cuffs for the cornrow. These lovely things. Don't know why I'm laughing like that, but yeah, nervousness, literally. Last time I was putting these in my hair, one dropped when I was recording a video. My gosh, it was so annoying. Yep. And the last one is here. There you go. And of course, I'm gonna band it up tonight again so I can rock this hair when I take it out again. But yeah, let me see. Oh, I've got earrings here as well. Literally, I've got earrings here. I'm set up with my table hair, literally. Let me see. Ooh. What does it say? I am Black History. That's what the earrings say. But yeah, that, oh yes, I forgot my eyeshadow. But you know me and lippy, I like my lippy, yeah. When I'm taking pictures, then I put the eyeshadow on. Yeah. Yeah, that is it. Hopefully from the side it's okay, because I can't see. But yeah, this is it, yeah.